fan side compared to the water-cooled because it has more parts. Unit, Big LX, o lahat po ng nakakatanda, raise your hand. O yan, matatanda na yan. Liquid cooled and equipped with ABS and TCS.
Here is the Kymco AK575 na siya, premium. Plush leather seats, ganda yung pagkaka-stitching yung design. So push start na dito. Ganda leather, medyo premium. Ganda naman. So this one, ito yung maxi scoot ng Kymco na magamit ng belt na drive. Full frame disc brakes na kapal. Brembo disc brake. So part 75 para lang yung pa rin yan. So ito yung newest D150 ng dito para makita niyo yung mismo harapan ng bike or scooter. Ito mas maliit yung itsura niya, mas manuwa yung ground pero halos slip, same lang din kasi ito kaya nakuha ng malaki dahil sa blue. Maganda yung look ng mga this is the tail end of the Kymco DS 150cc. Medyo ayan, makikita mo yung disc brake niya which is Kymco brand, kulay pula, kitang-kita nyo sa malayo. Disc brake niya sa likod sa tapos disc brake sa harapan. Maganda yung floorboard niya, malawak yung floorboard niya. Meron ka na ditong lagayan, keyless na rin. Basta dito yung lagayan na LED, LCD na rin yung pagko-compare mo, medyo iba na yung design niya dito sa naunang Kymco D150. Ayan naman is yung nasa likod yung Kymco D150S. Ito yung R, kaya mas malaki siya ng D7 chain ng drive ang ginagamit ito. Single overhead cam. So yun nandun yung 575 na AK. Ito yung 550. So ito yung exciting na 400cc. Ganda ng details nyo. Kasi exciting mo tayo.
Natandaan, picture ko na. Right down, 150 black, white, green. So ang tawag nila dito is burly black, golden brown, and burly white. Ang ganda nito, very affordable na itong scooters. 118,000 pesos.
our members here in the audience?
Yeah, so
Both bikes. So Multistrada V2 base model and the Panigale V2 base model is at 1,190,000. And then for the
Here we go. So I'm going to ask you guys a couple of questions. If you guys were paying attention to the stuff that we were talking about, you have a chance.
Ano height nyo, ma'am? 5'4". 5'4". Ayan, yun ma'am. 5'4". Slightly thick. CF Moto 500 SR. Wow, grabe to. 4.9 million pesos. Bimota. Ito na may design ng ano nyo. Very unique. Talagang kakaiba siya. Tapos this is how many cylinders. 1, 2, 3, 4 cylinder. Carbon lahat, no? Every single part of its body is carbon. Maliban lang sa tank siguro. Overall, grabe. Sobrang unique na ng itsura niya. Kakaiba talaga. Well, Bimota is known for being very expensive because it's an Italian brand. Okay, ito yung Indian motorcycles. Kanina galing tayo sa Harley. Ito naman yung Indian. Indian Scout. Very menacing talaga yung itsura niya. Ganito yung dala-dala mo. Sobrang ano eh. Astig yung dating mo. Tapang ng dating mo.
You know.
tayo sa booth ng Suzuki Motorcycles Philippines. Display na dito yung mga latest models na Suzuki big bikes. At sobrang blue na blue talaga yung mga color nila. Dito din naman napakaganda ng mga kulay nila. Medyo bias tayo dyan dahil may nice. This one is the GSX 1000 naked version ng Ducati. This one is a 4-cylinder. Hindi na bago na to kasi ito pa rin naman yung dating model nila. Price is 806,000 pesos. 806,000 pesos. 4-cylinder, 4-stroke, liquid cooled, double overhead cam. Meron siyang bore stroke ng 73.4 by 59mm, 6-speed constant transmission. Overall long length. Ang overall length niya is 2,115mm. Overall width is 810mm with overall height na 1,080mm. Ang wheelbase naman nito ay 1,460mm with ground clearance of 140mm. Seat height is 810mm per plus of 240 kilograms. So yung front suspension niya, kita nyo naman guys, inverted telescopic fork na siya. Coil spring, oil dam, link tight naman yung sa rear niya, and coil spring and oil dam. Double disc front with Brembo calipers. Sobrang linis, sobrang aggressive ng itsura na GSX 1000. So ito naman, ito yung nandun nila last year, yung GSX S1000 GT. This is a sport touring motorcycle with a 4-cylinder, 4-stroke liquid overall top, 999cc displacement. So pag ito talaga, yun daw ito lang talaga sobrang aggressive ng itsura mo pag ito touring. So ito naman yung GSX S1000 GX. So iba yung model nito kasi mas mataas ang windshield nito at iba yung kanyang headlight. Overall, same lang din siya ng specs do sa isang unit ng Suzuki. Pero naiba lang dito is sport adventure touring na to, crossover. So mapapansin nyo, medyo magpataas ang kanyang handlebar, height base niya. Same lang din, Brembo caliper, dual display sa harapan, easy sa likod. Ito yung kaninang in-unveil ng Suzuki BRZ4SM, hindi natin pinabutan kanina. So anyway, ito siya, pang enduro, dirt bike siya, dual sport. Ayan yung engine niya. So medyo mataas ang kanya seat height nito, maganda ito pang adventure motorcycle. BRZ is very iconic na from the Suzuki. This one is the 4S SM Sport, dual sport. Ito naman yung purely off-road yung tires. Nakita mo naman yung tires na nakalagay dyan is pang off-road na, kaya medyo pang ano talaga siya, all the rain. And this one naman is naka-endurance siya, street tire siya. So yun ang pinagkaiba nilang dalawa. Very iconic na itong motorcycle ng BRZ sa Suzuki. So iba na rin yung kanyang headlight, naka-projector lamps na siya. And signal lights, hindi ako nagkakamali, is LED na rin. Ayan. Ano pa rin? Taas ang kita sa gitna naman. Ito naman yung Hayabusa. Ito na yung very iconic na super bike, super sport ng Suzuki na talaga na simulapan po na pala. Very iconic na itong monster of a sport bike na ito, which is the Suzuki Hayabusa. Very modern na itsura niya, pero sa dati medyo matagal ito nag-refresh. Pero ito na yun, yung latest model ng Hayabusa. Talagang malaki dating niya, lalo na pag nasa Alsada. Ito yung Gixxer along with nagagandahan models natin ng Suzuki. Ay ma'am, kaway po wait, ang mga gagandahang models ng Suzuki with alongside with the GSX 8S naked version ng Suzuki. So we're here at the booth of the MV Agusta. Ito yung
signature ng mga motorcycle talaga nila. Very timeless yung design. This one is the Busta ng motorcycle. So mapapansin mo hindi pa rin talaga nagbago yung itsura at yung look ng MDR Busta. Very timeless kasi napakaangas. Naked bike, may similarities talaga sa Ducati ang MDR Busta. Yung turismo gulo ganda ito yung Jordale India Busta. Grabe. Dry clutch. itsura niya